Swatches of green and untouched beauty. Chhattisgarh is one of India's best kept secrets. Packed with rich cultural heritage and blessed by nature's bounty, it is one of the off the beaten track tourist spots. Popularly known as the mini Niagara of India, the Chitrakoot waterfalls in Bastar district is the broadest waterfall in India. Descending from a height of 100 feet, this horseshoe-shaped fall originates from the Indravati river. The best time to visit Chitrakoot Falls is during monsoons, when they are in full glory, surrounded by lush greenery. Home to the Bar and Navapara forest villages, the Barnavapara Wildlife Sanctuary covers an area of about 245 square kilometers in the Mahasamund district. Established in 1976, the sanctuary is home to a wide range of bird and wildlife species. Also known as the Khajuraho or Chhattisgarh, the Borondev temple stands at the foot of the Michael Mountains. The temple was built between 7th and 11th centuries by King Ramachandra of the Nag dynasty and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is known for the spectacular view of the city and houses many religious and erotic sculptures. Built around 625 to 650 AD, the Lakshman temple in Sirpur is one of the most frequented sites in Chhattisgarh. Dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the temple is believed to be the first in India to be constructed with bricks. The intricate carvings on the exterior include portraits of Lord Vishnu, Krishna Leela symbols, Vaishnava Dwarpal, and pictures bearing resemblance to the paintings at Khajuraho. Located inside the Kangair National Park, the Tirathgarh Falls is a perfect blend of leisure and entertainment. With wide streams of water gushing downwards from a height of 300 feet, it is often dubbed as the Milky Falls. A unique feature about these falls is the way that water splits into multiple chutes while descending. Constructed in the 14th century, the Danteshwari temple in Jagdalpur is believed to be one of 52 Shakti Peeths. The temple was built during the reign of the Chalukya dynasty and boasts a Dravidian style of architecture. Inside the temple, the idol of goddess Danteshwari is chiseled out of black stone and is believed to possess magical powers. Located near Tirathgarh Falls, these caves are situated 35 meters below the ground level. Stretching across 2 kilometers, they are the second largest natural caves in the world. Filled with numerous stalactites and stalagmites, they are accessible only to a certain extent because of the lack of oxygen inside.